Hi, it's Lana here from Birds Renovations. I'm here with Nick from Modular Walls at our latest project. Nick, I am loving what we've done out the front here. You know, what looks like a rendered and stone wall is not that at all.
No, so what we've got behind us here is our estate wall. So it is our grandest wall. It's fantastic for this application, you know, because it provides a good lead into the house. Our modular wall goes in on a post and rail sort of foundations. We've set these posts in position and then we slide the panels down. So speed, cost effectiveness, this whole wall was built in a day. As you can see, we've customised the wall with a stone feature and you can dress the wall up and down to suit the situations. A very simple process. We're bonding onto fibre cement skin, very smooth surface.
And what we did here was only make a decorative feature of the wings, and then the rest of the walls, that's where we just kept it simple, just painted it white, and it's got that lovely rendered look.
Maybe we're made for a time like this, counting each breath so we wouldn't miss it.
So Nick, we're in the backyard now, and whoa, this wall is high.
It's cool. Look, so we've done this for privacy and from the neighbours, because behind this wall you do have elevated neighbours there.
You're absolutely right. The main reason we built this wall was, you know, this house is all about a sanctuary and privacy, and wherever you can get privacy, it's great. You can use a modular wall not only as sort of a fence and a wall, but as an anchor for creating another zone.
You can even a feature backdrop, even if it's two panels, just to sort of block your neighbours or create a backdrop to a feature.
And then we've also used it for a shower.
You have, which I think we're going to go and see now.
Gorgeous.
Amazing.
So what do you think of this use of your wall? How many shower walls have you done today?
I love it, not many. So this application again, very tall wall, estate wall.
What I really take in just standing here now is that these modular walls are basically a way to extend your home.
Yeah, look, and you get to use part of your boundary fence and your boundary wall as a function.
Nick, for people who want to check out what modular wall system might work in their home, where should they start?
Look, probably the best source, first point of call will be the website. We've got a fantastic gallery, product pages, and even an online calculator where people can enter their dimensions, select their height, select their wall style, and it can give you an instant quote so you know where you're at.
We love instant. I mean, who doesn't love an instant quote? We don't have time for waiting around. So that sounds great. If you're interested in a modular wall for your home, head to the website and check it out today.